Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. You will find this activity on Class Dojo through worksheets. Before you begin, remember to put your name up the top. Today we are going to be completing a strawberry synonyms and antonyms activity. So what we need to do is colour the synonyms in red and the antonyms in green, meaning that red is a ripe strawberry and green is the colour of an unripe strawberry. A synonym is a word that has the same meaning as another word. So, for example, big and large, they mean the same thing. An antonym is a word that is opposite to that word. So, for example, fast and slow. So as you can see, I have coloured in 2 strawberries so far. The red one being a synonym strawberry and the green one being an antonyms strawberry. So if we look at the first one together, which is here, we know that the word hot and cold don't have the same meaning. So therefore it would be an antonym and I would colour it in green. If we look at the next one on our row, we can see that it is start and begin. Now they have the same meaning, which means that it would be a synonym. So I've now done 4 for you. So it's your job now to colour the synonyms ripe red and colour the antonyms unripe green.